everybody, my name is JynellTrail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below along with your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So in today's video, I'll be doing some natural hairstyles on my hair. So let's get into this video. So for the first style, what I'm gonna do is basically just part a small section from one side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a rubber band style.
Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I beat nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. I'm on to Sean, say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press rewind. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like a
So now that I have my rubber band style all set, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. Then I'm gonna add some ear accessories to this, and then that's that for our style number one.
Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, point instrumental, giving you one time.
Look at me. So now for style number two, all I'm gonna do is just repeat the same step that I did on one side or on the previous side to this side.
Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm free. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I beat nobody.
A little throw off situation going on.
Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. I'm on to Sean, say she moving to the baseline.
So now for style number three, I'm gonna go ahead and part section from here, from the front.
The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private.
So then I'm gonna clip this away.
Tell me what you want to know. I go give you
My
all
front
and more.
section.
Bad man I feel
Then I'm gonna go ahead and comb this up into a ponytail.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. He's body baby, oh. Ah, he's body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, why I'm too. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, why I'm too. That me low.
Now for style number 4, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same section that I had with the ponytail, and I'm just gonna do a flat twist.
I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Why I'm slow? This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me.
Hey guys, in the middle of me doing another hairstyle, my camera decided to not record, so all of that work for nothing. But this is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more hairstyles. I'll be posting another video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye girl.